Volunteers Eastern Zone (Vvef), a Kukizo armed group, has claimed responsibility for the attack on Naga villages of Namli, Wangli Market and Choro on May 7 amid escalating tension along Indo-Myanmar border in Manipur's Kamjong district. In a statement, the Vvef said the attack was carried out in retaliation for the alleged burning of Lanchakuki village on May 2nd and accused NSCN-IM Eastern Flank of continuous aggression against Kuki community in Ukhrul and Kamjong districts. The group further alleged that cadres of NSCN-K AY and Myanmar-based Shani Nationalities Army SNA had extended support to anti-Kuki operations in the border areas. However, ground verification by Ukhrul Times from the affected villages contradicted Vvef's claims, stating that the coordinated pre-dawn assault was launched by armed Kuki groups from Myanmar side and was repelled by cadres of NSCN-IM. Villagers told Ukhrul Times that the attackers retreated towards Myanmar after brief exchange of fire and that one of the injured attackers was heard speaking in Kuki language. Bloodstains found along the retreat route reportedly corroborated the villagers' accounts. Sources also stated that the NSCN-IM cadres defending the villages include members from Vvef community settling in the border region. Meanwhile, an unverified statement purportedly issued by Kuki National Army Burma (KNAB) denied any involvement in the attack and dismissed allegations linking the group to the arson incidents in Namli, Choro and Wangli villages. The statement accused sections of the media of speaking baseless allegations without evidence and maintained that KNAB's operations are confined to Myanmar with the objective of restoring democracy there. On the other hand, Ukhrul Times further stated that the number of missing persons from Wangli Market alone has reportedly risen to 21, including a Tangkhul Naga woman and several Myanmar nationals, though the total number of missing persons from the three villages could not be independently verified. Around 270 Myanmar nationals, including members of Vvef community displaced by Myanmar conflict, are currently taking shelter at Wangli village, where local Tangkhul civil society organizations and villagers have been extending humanitarian assistance. Concerned MLA Leshio Kaising has also reached Wangli village to assess the prevailing situation on the ground.